Hi everyone! Today I have a new project for you, and today we have Keyrings with necklace and small rose embroider. So you can make this in any yarn which you prefer. I gonna crochet today with a light blue, and for this toy you need some beads for the necklace, you need scissor, you need Keyring, a needle and hook, and a little bit of stuff, toy stuffing. Also for the eye, if you have safety eyes, you can use these, but I have here also beads. I used beads, and you need also some black yarn for the face. Also for the mouth you need a rose, and for the rose on the head you can prefer what color you want. It's up to you. So let's start with our toy. We start at first with our leg, the first leg, and then the second leg, and continue to the body and then to the head. After we gonna crochet the arms and the tail. So have fun and let's start. So at first we're gonna make, so I take this away also, and this one. At first we're gonna make a magic ring, and into the magic ring we're gonna make 7 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Pull your yarn to close your magic ring, and then you crochet 2 rows with each row single crochet. 2 more rows with each row 7 single crochet. So in the next row we're gonna make 1 increase in the first stitch, increase in the first, and then 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase in the last stitch, 2 stitches in 1 stitch. So you should have now 9 stitches. Okay, now you're gonna make 1 row with 9 single crochet. So in the next row we increase in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the first, and then you're gonna make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here we're gonna increase in the last stitch again. So the first leg is finished. Now and in the here you can make 1 slip stitch. So we cut the yarn from the first leg, and now you're gonna make same way the second leg. The second one you're gonna make, and I meet you again. Now I finished also the second leg, but here I don't cut the yarn. I'm going to join the second leg to the first leg. Okay, here for I make one chain, and then you're gonna go into the last stitch here, and make a slip stitch. Okay, and now you're gonna make around the first leg 11 single crochet, so, and on the chain 1 single crochet, and then follow to the second leg also 11 single crochet, and 1 single crochet on the chain like this, and put your stitch marker. Now here's the beginning of your round. Okay, so you should have now 24 stitches all together, and you're gonna make 9 rows here, the body 9 rows with each row 24 stitches, and I meet you again. Now I finished my 9 rows from the body. Now we're gonna crochet in the next row 1, 2 single crochet and decrease 2 stitches together. One more, I show you. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then decrease 2 stitches together, so until end of the row. After you're gonna crochet 1 more row with 18 stitches. So after this row I stuff my toy a little bit. All right. After you can continue again during you crochet your toy with stuffing. So in the next row now we're gonna make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and decrease, 1 single crochet and decrease. This repeat also until end of the row 6 times, and after you should have 12 stitches, and then you're gonna make 1 more row with 12 stitches. So we're gonna continue now with the head. And here we're gonna increase all stitches. You should have here now 12 stitches, okay? Here you should have 12 stitches. And now you're gonna increase on this round all stitches. So you're gonna crochet 2 single crochet in each stitch, okay? Until end of the row. In each stitch 2 single crochet. And at the end of this row you should have then 24 stitches. Then you're gonna make 7 more rows with 24 stitches from the head, and I meet you again. So I finished now my 7 rows. Now I'm going to stuff my toy. So this should be enough. Now I'm gonna make here the head now, the ears. So you must be on the side, okay? If you here somewhere with your last stitch, you can continue to crochet until to the side or come back to this side, all right? And then we are going to flatten the head and go here into the through the loops into the from the front of the head, and also here from the back of the head, okay? So go through, pull the yarn and make 1 slip stitch. So you make 1 chain, and in this same stitch here you're gonna make 3 half double crochet. 2, 3, and 1 slip stitch. So, and now we continue in the next stitch, go through the loop and also from the back side pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. In the next same. Until of the middle of the head. So I can make 1 more. Slip stitch. And now we make 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 19. You have now 20 chains. Now you should leave long tail, just finished the head and the ear, okay? Cut your yarn now. Now we're gonna take our Keyring and take this yarn through here. So here. And now we're gonna go into the same stitch same stitch here, and make one slip stitch again. Okay, now we continue the next stitches. Make slip stitches. And now we're gonna make here one slip stitch and then 3 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and chain 1, go into the same and make slip stitch. Okay, and pull your yarn now. So the ears, head and this detail is finished. So take your needle, thread your yarn, okay, just go into the next here and come out in any space here. So just to hide your yarn. One more. And so now our cat is with body, head and ears finished. We're gonna continue make the arms and other details.